me and Seerusgod here are going to do what's called a team Blindsolve. That's where one person is blindfolded, and I'll have the cube, and Josh will tell me which way to twist the sides. So, can't say it all. This is our temporary blindfold until I get a better one.
A little more.
Scrambling up the cube. Usually do this in about 8 minutes.
Alright.
Okay.
Your green is on the right side. Alright. F UI FI. Oh, sorry, other way. LI.
Got one?
Let me see the back.
Back.
Alright. UI RI. This is the bottom. Alright. D. 2 L's. U. Want to see the bottom? Alright. 2 D's. Let me see the bottom again. Okay?
Wait, is it underneath?
DI. And turn the cube counterclockwise 90 degrees. What's your front? Alright. Corner's under target corner, the green's on the right side. Let me see the bottom. Okay? 90 degrees counterclockwise. Corner's under the target corner, but it's on the left side.
Front side?
Front side. Okay, let me see the bottom. Okay? 90 degrees counterclockwise. Under the target corner on the right side. Let me see the bottom. Alright. 2 D's. 90 degrees counterclockwise. Under the target corner on the right side. Turn the cube over.
Oh, yeah. Is it lined up?
They're all lined up.
Okay.
2 U's. And turn the cube 90 degrees counterclockwise. It's on the front side. You have a...
Here?
Yep. U. Turn 180 degrees.
This is front.
90 degrees counterclockwise. It's on the other side.
Oh,
The
here?
right side. Yeah. $180. It's on the right side.
Yeah,
Yep.
that.
Let me see the back. Okay, UI. Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. It's on the front side. Yep. Alright, you have a blue V facing towards you.
So it's, wait, like, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Use my special method and see if this works.
Should work. Yep,
Okay.
blue cross. What's your front? 90 degrees counterclockwise.
You never turn it the other way.
180 degrees. Alright, do the corner switch method.
Wait,
Or the edge switch method.
wait, this is correct?
That's front?
But
So
is
trust
this,
me,
is
trust
this edge correct?
No, it's not. Trust me, I know what I'm doing, okay? Do the edge switch. Now turn you. Okay. You only have 2 corners twisted out of place. All the others are...
Wait, they're in place?
Yep.
Wow, I got lucky.
Yep.
So, this is blue and this blue, or... Eh?
No.
These two?
The 2 ones that are away from you are turned out of place.
Wait, these.
Yes. That one, the blue is facing towards you.
And this
Sorry.
one, blue is facing away.
Yes.
Eh?
Other way. There.
Yay! There we go. That was a team blind solve.